In this video, we're going to show you an interactive Opus task that automates some Active Directory operations while wrapping those operations around a ServiceNow incident. As an operator, I can log into Opus and see the tasks that I've been given access to, and this is the task that I want to run. And I found it by selecting a combination of tags and also putting in some text input myself. When I start the task, I'm shown some help text explaining the operations that I'm allowed to perform, and also it tells me that I need a ServiceNow incident number. As soon as I start the task, Opus is connecting to the PXM platform using the PXM API to get the secrets and credentials that it needs to be able to perform those operations on Active Directory and ServiceNow. At that point, it could be using HashiCorp Vault or another credential vault in your organization. The first thing I need to do is supply an incident number. When I've submitted that incident number, Opus is connecting to ServiceNow and making sure that the incident exists and is not closed. Once it's got the information of the incident, it shows me this in a table, and I can read the description, look at the caller name and make sure it's the incident I'm working on. This one is the incident I'm looking for. I can see that David Bennett has been locked out and the incident was raised by David Bennett. So I'm going to say yes, that is the correct incident, and Opus is now setting it in progress on ServiceNow. Now I need to choose the user. You can see this progress table shows me the steps that are going to happen in this task and which systems they involve. If I didn't know exactly how to spell the name, I would want to use star as a wildcard, which is fully supported. When I submit that, Opus is talking to Active Directory now over LDAPs, and if the user exists, it's going to fetch the data and show me in a table, which is what it's done here. Yes, this is David Bennett, it's the right user. He is locked because he put the bad password in 3 times. So I can confirm this is the user I'm looking for. Now I get to choose from my prescribed list of operations that I can perform. These operations are built from my PXM group membership and Active Directory group membership, fully configurable for different teams, granular permissions on each operation. I only need to unlock the account and set the password, so I just chose those 2. Opus has unlocked the account for me. I need to supply a password. Both the passwords matched, and it's set the password on Active Directory. I can see an updated user record now to make sure that that account has been unlocked and the bad password count has been reset. We can confirm that here because Opus has connected to Active Directory again, looked for David Bennett, and it's fetched updated information about that user. You can see that the jobs have been done. To close the loop and keep your CMDB process in line, the last thing to do is close the incident. Opus has connected to ServiceNow again, and it's fetched the valid close codes for this incident type. So I can choose from a drop-down minimizing human error. I can now provide close notes, which is a text input. So we unlocked and reset accounts via Opus. Those values are now being set on the incident. Green ticks on every row, the task's been completed. If I now move over to ServiceNow and open that incident, you'll be able to see the updates that Opus put in the incident, and it gives a nice clear audit trail inside the incident of exactly what was done, by who and at what time. In this video, you've seen a prescribed example of a task that came in from the field. In reality, we know that every organisation uses slightly different applications and business processes look different everywhere you go. But if you've seen anything in this video that makes you think you'd like to experience the benefits of Opus, please get in touch.